Deep fried sweet potato and deep fried sweet potato balls. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Junjun. Today I'm going to deep fry some sweet potatoes. This recipe is from my grandma. The Chinese New Year is almost here. Grandma always deep fries some sweet potatoes for Chinese New Year. She has two ways to deep fry sweet potato. The first one is just slice the sweet potato, dip in the sweet rice flour batter, and deep fry it straight. The second one, you have to mash the sweet potato first, and then add the sweet rice flour, make it like a sweet potato balls, and deep fry the sweet potato balls. Super simple ingredients, but very delicious. Let's get it started. I have two sweet potatoes right here. I'm going to peel the skin first. Now I'm going to slice the sweet potato, cut the ends off. Because the ends is not big round enough, we're gonna use these ends for make sweet potato balls. Slice each sweet potato like 1 centimeter thick. I have 300 grams right here. I'm going to use this to make sweet potato balls. You can steam this or microwave it and then mash the sweet potato. Add the sweet rice flour. I'm going to microwave this. That is in the microwave. I'm going to coat this with the sweet rice flour. I'm going to use Mochiko sweet rice flour today. Flour and a half teaspoon salt. Grab a Ziploc bag. Put the sliced sweet potatoes in the bag. Put this flour in the bag. Rub the flour onto the sweet potato. Now I'm going to make the deep fry batter. We need 2 cups sweet rice flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup of water, the second cup of water, add 1 egg. Now we're gonna move on to the sweet potato balls. This is the microwave sweet potato. We're gonna mash it first. Add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix the sugar and sweet potato together. The ingredients of these sweet potato balls, the sugar part you can cut less or add more. And the sweet rice flour part always weigh half amount of your sweet potato. I weighed the sweet potato before I microwave it. It was around 300 grams. And I'm gonna add 150 grams sweet rice flour into this mix. I have the scale underneath. I'm gonna mix this together. This is the dough for the sweet potato balls. Now I'm going to weigh it. I like to make my sweet potato balls equal. You don't have to weigh them. Each ball is around 35 grams here. Time to deep fry them. We're gonna use medium heat to deep fry the sweet potato. The fry oil temperature should be around 300 Fahrenheit. Put 1 sliced sweet potato into the batter. Deep fry them around 5 to 6 minutes. We can use chopstick. Poke into it. If you can feel the sweet potato is soft, and it is done. You can take it out. Use medium-low heat. Slow fry them. Deep fry them around 8 minutes. And they will be done. Deep fry sweet potato and deep fry sweet potato balls. These deep fried sweet potatoes are so yummy. Tastes just like a home. I already had 2 of these and 2 of these sweet potato balls. The outside batter is so crispy, inside sweet potato is so creamy, soft. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like my deep fried sweet potato and deep fried sweet potato balls. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!